just one thing I need.
Ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2. 1, 2. Hi guys! Today is December 10th and we are on the way to a lunch party.
Lunch.
Lunch party.
Birthday.
Yeah, so invited ako na isa kong friend.
Birthday.
Yeah, Jaden. So yeah, punta na kami doon. Okay? Ready, get set?
Go.
Let's go, let's go. Nasabi ko ba yung oras? Time check is 12:07.
Ah,
Mm.
weird.
Tinubuan ako ng ano ba yung blackheads
Why you
dito sa
done
may
now?
outer
Why you done
lips.
Mom, that card.
Tiniris ko siya.
Guitar.
Kaya yan,
That
may
one.
ano siya, dark spot.
Please touch you. Don't line just now. Please touch you. They're not wobbly now.
It's not wobbly now.
Only the other one.
Kami sa venue. Sa bahay ng friend ko. Hi, Holly! Are you tired?
Hi.
Okay.
Where's my card in here? I have an idol, Mom.
Huh?
Like that.
You like it?
What is it? No, I just got that home.
Did you?
Mom.
How's that?
Mom.
Yeah. Ah, nakalimutan ko. Hi, Beth! How are you?
Where's the bag?
Hi, look at you. You're so big now. How are you?
Mommy, was
Say
that?
hi. Oh, you're so friendly. Say
Hi.
hi. Hi. Tell your name. What's your name?
Zoe.
Zoe, and this is Mia. Hi, Mia. Can I have a kiss? How are you, Beth? Oh my God, how long? It's like 2 years? 2 years or 2.5? 2 years. My God. Have you seen my daughter?
Yeah, give her a cuddle.
Oh, did you give her a cuddle? Say hi.
Zoe, look.
She's big now? Yeah, she is.
Look at these footballs.
Hi, Floyd. Floyd, right? How are you?
Hi, Tita Chona.
Have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Oh, you're big now. Look at you.
I'm 7.
You're 7. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Dito na kami sa sa venue, sa party ng friend ko. Ito si Kuya Jerry.
Hello, ganda naman ang camera mo, namumula tayo.
Ito yung mga handa niya.
Pagod ka pa sa ikaw. Pangauna mo nga, makuha ra kong kuha.
Yeah.
Kasi magstay pa ako sa hotel.
Anong pinakamagandang hotel doon? I was 70s when I went there, long time ago.
Where was this then?
Yung mga dinasaya sa para bang Singapore.
Was taken down the hall?
Nagutom na.
Ow!
Holly!
The big
Baba!
go in here.
No. Hi! Say hi! Say hi!
Ow!
Hi!
Wizard. Look at that. Not a word. That's the part of toy. Mommy, hold it. Honey! Bonnie! Oh, yeah, that's my body. I'm trying not to put my finger in there. This is cool. It has 2 guns on the side. I have one of these.
Huh?
They're already in the Philippines.
There. Yan, ate. Yes. Give it. Thank you. Say thank you. There's the drink. There's the drink for Tita.
Okay.
Say what you gonna say. Thank you.
That's good.
What is it?
Give her more.
Okay, now let these go.
Get with sa kay sa.
Here.
Doon pa rin. May hiring.
Yes, that's that's gone.
Ay, sad naman.
Oh, what? You can shoot. You're shooting.
Holly.
John, dagdagan mo pa? Isa?
I say do it. And then overnight you can get on it.
You don't have to drink it.
Put it there.
You have to wash your hands, huh?
What do you want it?
Will be tired.
Oo, kasi alas 2 siya lagi. Stay there.
Stay, Baba.
Stay there.
Delicious.
Ikaw talaga, sili-sili girl. Papa. Good girl. Stay.
Can I go?
No, I have. Sit down here, Baba. Here, Papa.
Don't wear your socks. Take your socks off, please.
Yeah, Papa. Me? Where are you going, darling?
Alam mo na kung sino ang teacher niya? Hayden? Oo. Sino ang teacher niya? Mrs. Jeffrey? Mrs. Glade? Oh, Glade.
So, this year, next year kayo yung niya.
Oo.
Next year.
Kasi, muntay siya doon with 28. Ngayong 28 November, na first niya, nag-ano na siya, nag-school. Tapos, 8:30 to 12:30.
Ah, transition mo, like visiting.
Oo, visiting. Tapos yun, iniwanan na lang siya, tapos pupunta doon, kaunti, tapos binalik ka lang ng school. Yun.
Ano talaga yun? Parang ano.
Tapos,
This is outside.
nakagani.
Yeah.
Look.
Yun na play
I know
outside.
the girl. Oh, I have a sword outside.
Na? Halik, halik kuya, halik, halik.
Yun na play outside. They're outside.
They're outside. Do you want to play outside?
Hey.
Kuya. Say kuya. Make sure you don't shoot anyone.
No, this is
Come here. Sit down first. Say hi.
Take
Say
it,
hi.
then they did too.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi.
I did hi. What's the
Hayden!
Oh, so
Happy birthday muna ka, Hayden!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hayden. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You love what?
He wants to get the knife. He wants to get the knife.
Okay, blow. Okay, blow. Your Spider-Man. Come on now.
Nasa ilalim.
Go, Sam.
Ayan.
Sana?
Uy, may red siya.
Come on, okay, TJ, blow.
Happy birthday to
How about you? Good. TJ.
Uy, ang sarap niya kumain.
Marami tong kumain kahit ano.
Ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me, baby.
Fruits daw, Nana.
Ayaw ko talaga. Kasi parang dito na kasi ako.
Well, you share with Kuya.
Dito talaga ako next time.
Punta ka ng Pinas, ba? Kailan ka nagpunta ng Pinas?
Market na yun.
Umuwi ka ba ng Pinas?
Talaga ako.
Wala ka nang magagawa kasi.
December last year.
Pero yung mga lahat
July and December.
Ano ninyo?
Maganda naman kumain ako ng December kasi nakasat na yun. Yung December.
Darren.
Tapos
Oo, palagi ko narinig yan.
Tapos anak kasi Alana, ang bait. Tapos yung isang anak niya na matay.
what you gonna say to Nana?
Ako, yung...
Okay, share with Kuya. Sit down.
Dad, you like cherries?
Kamag-anak nila yun.
Do you want? No cherries.
Malayo na.
Where's your water sock?
Portrait.
Hey, Jen.
Cherry. Where's Holly here? Is it good? Is it good? Huh? Is it good, Kuya?
Mom. I was just having a job. Mama, don't take this.
You just have to bite it.
Yun ba yung nagsimba?
Si Jackie,
Oo.
Di ba yung twins niya? Parang twins lang.
close kasi sila. Parang ba?
Para kasi silang family.
Oh, you cherries. Huh?
Si Luisa.
Holly.
bata, walang reklamo.
Lucky rin sila sa inyo.
Mom, there's a
Ano trabaho mo dito?
there with like kids are
Sa bagay, madali ka naman makakita.
Alam mo,
Ang tatay nila, ayan.
pero nag-intern ako doon.
Parang ayaw mo.
Sit down there.
Mahirap na pala.
Iyan mo?
Nag-resign na rin yung mister mo.
About to.
Hindi pa rin. Baka magbago pa isip. Hindi
I'm
pa naman nabago.
gonna cry.
Nandito na yung home mo. Dito na yung...
That's all.
Mommy, please. I'm gonna fly.
Kasama din yung nanay.
Dati kasi gusto ni Rosa. Bagal.
Hey, I need to. Wait, I can go under here.
Yan pa rin.
I can go under here.
Nagaan yung trabaho. Keep work
Go
lang.
under here.
Yeah, Holly, let me see. Happy birthday, Jade. Biko, dessert.
No more fun! Only soft drinks.
Ano sila?
Tinisan sila ba? Maganda doon yan. Sabi ng salya. Kaya ako bigyan ba? No more! Holly!
Pag lilipat kami, ibalik baligyan ako.
Excuse lang ate ha.
Ikaw? Ano siya bilag na duwain ko?
Isa pa, isa pa.
Year ko naman sa next year. Mula mahal dami ba?
Oo, kung mahinda. Kailan mag-umali?
Depende mahal ang bala.
Mga on!
Nga sila pag lalabas.
Something cool. Like a baby.
Just be careful.
Don't throw it at him. Yet. I'm gonna throw this at him. Just say this to my mom. Hello, guys.
Are you
Mom.
having fun?
Yeah. It's a giant. Oh, like catching man. He oh like fun to get me.
Gagawa si ate.
Hindi ka marunong pero isan. Tapos na to. Ano naman? Inurot siya? Ganun ba, Bit? Pagnin siya.
Masarap. No.
The party is over. The food was really good, right, Zach? Did you like the food?
Yes, I play five.
Say, okay, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Flag.
Okay, ayun si Kuya tsaka si Holly. Say, see you guys.
Bye.
Say bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Bye, Holly.
Bye.
Say bye. Flying kiss. Good girl.
Hey, Musuk.
Nguso, nguso. Nguso, nguso, nguso. Where's your nguso?